Hey, it's me, Paulie V. Welcome to another edition of Synths and Stories, the show where I share my musical journey, the masters of the radio journey, all the behind-the-scenes stuff of what I'm up to musically, as part of the Masters of the Radio Music project. And on this edition of Synths and Stories, I am going to give you an insight of how I create some of the tracks what I've made for the new EP, which is now out. It is now out for human consumption. Preset mode is over, and I got a question on YouTube on one of the recent episodes of Synths Stories, and basically I was asked how do I go about sort of composing the music, and so this is going to be sort of the first video of how I go about creating music, and I think this is going to be quite interesting, and it's going to be an insight for me to share, and it's going to be cool, I'm sure, for people to listen in and maybe share their ideas as well and share what you're doing, how you're creating your music. So for me, creating music generally is me just humming a rhythm, a rhyme, a riff, whatever you want to call it, just getting the idea in my head. It'll just really just a spark just comes to me after the time, or I'll work with some sort of wording, and I will record it all onto my iPhone. So this is my iPhone here. It's a very old iPhone now. It's all scratched and battered, but it does the job for what I want it to do. It's the iPhone 4S. I used the voice recorder on this, and unfortunately, this evening I've been trying to find the cable to link this up to my audio device to share some of these directly off this. So I've lost the cable. So I've done a workaround. There's always a workaround. You'll learn this. If you're a musician, there's always a workaround with everything. So I've sent the MP3 of the audio file for the song Preset Mode is Over, which is off the new EP. It's the title track, the title of the EP. I've sent the audio, and I'm going to hook that in. I'm going to throw that audio file in right now, and you can listen to what I come up with and the initial idea of the song Preset Mode is Over. Cue the song. Preset Mode is Over. Demo. Preset Mode is over. Preset mode is over. Dum 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 dum. So that was the original idea, and I just want to, if you've not heard the full version from the EP, just drop in a bit of that now, just so you can get an idea of where the ideas from that initial voice recording went to. Preset mode is over. Preset mode is over. Preset mode is over. Dun 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 dun. So you can see, really, the initial idea was completely just driven forward into the song, like the riffs, the idea of the vocals, all in that initial recording, and it's me basically then taking that idea from the voice recording. I've got it pinned down, then the idea is not lost. It's not lost in the universe of ideas. I can then take it into the software I use, Cubase, and then work out, what key I'm going to play it in, how I'm going to sort of program the synths, what sound effects I'm going to add in there. But it all just stems from that original idea and that original voice recording. And it's not about you having to be a master of music and a master of learning how to play music. I will be honest, the music on the EP is so simple, simple chords, simple riffs. If you maybe you've not like you don't play piano or you don't play any instruments, you want to dabble maybe, just like get on Cubase. I rarely play real instruments. A lot of the stuff I just program in. All the EP here was all programmed in by a computer keyboard. No piano was really used. So for programming, it's easy. Just go in there and just start playing with the notes. Work out what note is you're singing. Work it out. Just play it and just go on from there. It's just building blocks. Like with any creative idea, it's just building it from the ground up. Get the initial idea, take it into the software, or take the initial idea, record it into a phone, and then take that phone, consistently listen to it, and just work on it, build it up into a software, build up the song, grow new ideas from that into that, and just work from there. And that's really the most sort of like main way I go about creating music. Sometimes I'll start off with. Sometimes maybe I'll change it up and play with a guitar, get a guitar out and just start writing some riffs, or maybe I'll get like the piano out. But I find just doing that, just ideas come from anywhere and it can come at any location. And having a smartphone just really helps with not losing those ideas and them sudden sparks that sometimes, you can wake up in the middle of the night and you just get this riff idea in your head and you're just like, whoa, 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 I can't lose this. And the fantastic thing about iPhones, smartphones, is you can just, you've always got your smartphone next to you. Everyone sleeps next to the smartphone. So just having it there, record the idea and go from there. And I'm hoping, this little insight into how Masters of the Radio music is created will be productive for you. And I hope you take some of this on board with your creation. If you're a budding museum, you're not a budding museum, are you? No, you're a budding musician, or you're a musician that is looking for some new creative wisdom. I've given you some wisdom today, I hope. If not, maybe you can just laugh at the fact that I'm probably talking nonsense for about 7 or 8 minutes. But either way, thank you for watching this edition of Synths and Stories.